Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For the Love of Running. Now, first of all, it is very windy here, so I'm hoping that you guys can actually hear me all right. But basically, we are here at the Yeldulknie Weir Parkrun, located in Cleve, to tick off the second to last of our parkrun on our state-to-person journey. And yeah, I mean, good morning for it. It is a little windy. Thankfully, the rain so far, touch wood, that's good. There's isn't here yet, so hopefully it doesn't come anytime soon. I can deal with a little bit of wind, but yeah, the other exciting thing is I've got a brand new action camera to try out for this run, so really excited to give that a go. It was a bit of an investment, so if you guys don't mind smashing that subscribe and that like button to help me out and help this channel out, that'll be great. But yeah, otherwise the course here follows this trail here. It is a straight out and back. The little wooden gates over there, kind of where you start and where you finish, so real straightforward, you can't get lost. A few rolling hills, so it wouldn't necessarily be the fastest one, but it wouldn't be the slowest either. And I mean, it is also very cold at the moment, but this is just beautiful. It's just absolutely unreal. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to definitely crack on with the warm-up, and I'll see you guys all at the start line.
Cause I spit fire, oh I
Alright guys, there you go. It is very bright. I don't know why I decided to walk this way, but that is Yeldulknie Weir Parkrun done. I'm near a rock that says smile. Where is it? There we go. It says smile, and that is what we do every week at Parkrun. Massive thanks to everyone here at Yeldulknie Weir. Always a little bit of a hard time saying that. But yeah, big thank you to everyone here who makes Parkrun possible. Big thank you to every volunteer that makes Parkrun possible each and every week. If you haven't gotten out and done a Parkrun, hopefully this video gives you a reason to get out, give it a crack, because it is absolutely amazing. We are so spoiled as runners. I mean, you can run in sites like this and it's absolutely free, and people will rock up, volunteer their time to help you achieve your goals, push a little bit further if you're already running, or yeah, basically just get out amongst the community. Or you can also volunteer as well, which is what we'll be doing once we've done all the parkruns in the state. We'll get around to giving back to the parkruns and give so much to us. So anyway, thanks guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because it does help me out, it helps me stay motivated to keep making these videos. And yeah, that's it. Time for a coffee, time to see some of the local sites around here, and yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video.